I kept one room locked in my soul, dust on the floor, shame in the walls. No one could see what I became, but I still trembled at my name. I learned to laugh at empty jokes and hide behind familiar smoke, but silence knew the weight I had and whispered low, look what is bad. I wore a smile like borrowed skin, learned how to move while caving in, spoke to the crowd, avoided truth, carried the ache of wasted youth. I counted years I could not save, replayed each choice, became its slave, built tiny courts inside my head where I was judged by words I said. I said too late, too far, too gone, but mercy kept the porch light on. Love did not speak the words I feared, it called me close instead of cleared. No thunder rolled to end my name, no fire arrived to seal my shame, just patient grace beside the road, still strong enough to lift my load. Not when I was strong, not when I was clean, not when I had fixed everything in me, not when I had proof, not when I could stand. Love moved first with wounded hands. God still wants you after that, after the fall, after collapse, after the night you can't take back, after the guilt, after the mask, when shame says run, when hope feels cracked. God still wants you after that. The chains I kissed began to rust, the lies I fed returned to dust. I took one step, then one step more, and found him waiting at the door. No speech prepared, no bargain made, no price to earn. The welcome lay, just open arms and steady lights, turning my mourning into sight. No wound too deep, no scar too wide, no ruined road love cannot find, no final grave, no sealed off past, no broken heart too lost to last. What failed in me was not the end, what I called death could live again. What shame had marked grace overruled, the place I broke became renewal. God still wants you after that, after the ashes, after the crash, after the secrets buried back, after the years that moved too fast, when doors seemed closed, when faith feels cracked. God still wants you after that. So if you hear this in the dark and think you've gone too far to start, the road is open, mercy stands. There is still healing in His hands. Take one step forward, leave the past. God still wants you after that.
If you like this content, then kindly hit like, subscribe, and share.